Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person.
Well, I feel like I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the scariest
thing. You watch over him when he comes.
Absolutely. That is the scary.
Today we've got one of the funniest and dumbest sovereign citizens you'll ever see. This guy's a real gem. He's actually claiming the judge scares him, and that's why he doesn't want to show up in person. Yeah, you heard that right, but it gets even crazier. Sovereign citizens love pretending they're above the law. But newsflash, the law does not care about your made-up rules. The judge absolutely goes off on this guy, and it's pure gold. Let me know in the comments how dumb you think this sovereign citizen is on a scale of 1 to 10. And hey, if you enjoy content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's dive in.
I can hear you.
Yeah, he came out and went back in.
Okay. Mr. Greco, it's been indicated to me that somebody wants a 30-day adjournment on Mr. Lanto's case for discovery. Is that right?
I wasn't. That's fine with me, Judge, if that's what the request is.
Well, quick objection. The request was, why don't we just drop this right now?
Okay, Mr. Lanto, you understand that you're the one requesting that you be given 30 days to get discovery. It's not the prosecutor.
Well, the first thing I want. Okay,
you want a trial today? You want a trial today?
Well, I mean, I'd even be willing to, sign a guilty plea today if the court can just produce the factual evidence of jurisdiction. It should be in my file somewhere. I was asking for the same thing up in the Clarkston courthouse, and they send me to the Oakland County.
Mr. Lanto, I'm not going to produce anything. I don't have to. I'm the judge. And as far as I know, the prosecutor can only produce what he wants to produce to convict. So we're not doing that. Your attorney's asked for 30 days. Do you want the 30 days or do you want to go to trial today?
Well, let's see what the discovery evidence has to say. But first, if they could, the very first thing out of there, they could send the factual evidence of jurisdiction. That would be great. It should be a one-page document. If the prosecutor filed this,
Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. I would suggest that you listen to your attorney. Okay? I'm going to adjourn this matter on his motion for 30 days.
Did you just say? Can you?
I'm going to send this to the assignment clerk, Mr. Lanto. You're not listening.
So far, I'm giving this dude a solid 10/10 on the idiot scale. What do you guys think? He literally just walks into court and says, "Let's dismiss this case." Like he's the one in charge, not the judge. Honestly, where do these sovereign citizens even come up with this delusional ideology? It's like they think the law doesn't apply to them just because they say so. Spoiler. That's not how anything works. I swear. It feels like this nonsense has been spreading online over the past few years, probably on YouTube or something, and it just keeps getting worse. Huge respect to the judge, though. He's handling this like a total pro and not letting the guy slip by with his nonsense. Let's jump back in.
You get in trouble because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to adjourn your case for 30 days. I'm going to send the matter down to the assignment clerk. She'll send out a notice. Hopefully your attorney will have the discovery that he wants by then, and we can handle your case. Okay?
Well, have you kind of calmed down a little bit?
What did he say? No. You're all set.
It seems like you were getting angry.
No, Mr. Lanto, you can leave the meeting. We'll see you in 30 days or so. Clerk will send you a notice.
Well, I just want the record to show I've asked these same questions in several courts, and nobody has said I'm talking crazy.
Oh, yeah?
That's the first time somebody said I've been anything but reasonable in a courtroom.
Oh, that's amazing.
Huh, right.
You're talking like you know all about the law, and it doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, then let me ask a few questions for clarification.
You don't need to ask any questions. We'll deal with it in 30 days, Mr. Lanto.
Wait, we can't ask simple.
This guy seriously needs to quit while he's ahead if that's even possible at this point. The judge is being surprisingly patient, considering how ridiculous he's acting, but honestly, it feels like he's begging to get thrown into contempt. Everybody knows you can't just stroll into court and try to game the system like this. The judge is giving him chance after chance, but instead of chilling out, this guy just keeps pushing it. And let's be real, he's the last person who should be talking about logic. Nothing he's said so far has made a shred of sense. Complete idiot.
Like I said, I'd be willing to sign the guilty plea and just, be done with this if I just see the factual evidence of jurisdiction, number one. And
That's
then number
what
two.
we're asking for discovery.
Okay, and then the proof of jurisdiction is going to be in there? Is that, I'm asking a simple logical question. It's either yes or no, the proof is going to be in there or not. It's it's very simple. It's very logical, actually.
Well, let's see.
Mr. Lanto, I think maybe you ought to come into court in person next time, and your attorney will be here in person, and we can talk about it. So when you get that letter,
Well,
can I put on there that he's in person? I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person. You know where the courthouse is?
well, I feel like
Exactly.
I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the
Chris,
scariest
when
thing
you
I could
watch
ever
over
hear.
him when he comes.
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear. And that's coming from a very reasonable person.
Okay, we'll see you in person in about 30 days, whatever date the assignment clerk gives you. And you come into
Okay.
court and we'll take care of business, okay?
So what does it mean to take care of business and I got to come in person and you're going to assign a police officer to me and then you said I'm talking crazy?
No, you got it
Did I
reversed.
just recall what was said on the record? Did I just recall that correctly?
You said no. You said it in reverse. I said first that you're talking some crazy talk. Then I said I'm going to adjourn it for 30 days. And then I said, because you're worried about it, that I'd have an officer watch.
Do you guys think he's actually going to show up in 30 days? I'm leaning toward yes, only because deep down he knows the judge has jurisdiction over him. He just doesn't want to admit it. But man, not only are his teeth a mess, but his whole brain seems to be too. He's been trying to play the victim card the entire time, and the judge even called him crazy. He acts like he can just talk his way out of everything, but that's not how the law works. Next time, he should seriously let his lawyer handle it, because right now he's just digging a deeper hole. Even if he does show up, I cannot wait to see what kind of stunt he pulls next. This one was super entertaining because he's a whole different breed of sovereign citizen. Usually, they stick to their same tired talking points, but this guy, he was all over the place. Effin claimed he was too scared of the judge to appear in person. At this point, it's obvious he's just stalling, either because he doesn't want to pay his fine, or because he's happy wasting taxpayer money. Either way, total clown. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Let me know what you thought about this hearing in the comments. I love reading what you guys say, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily content. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Take care.